A 3-inch cube is built from 27 unit cubes, each 1 inch on a side. 21 of the little cubes are red and 6 are white. If the big cube is put together so the white shows as little as possible. What fraction of the total surface area is white? The choices are 5/54, 1/9, 5/27, 2/9, and 1/3. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Start with the whole surface. The big cube has 6 faces, and each face is a 3x3 grid, so each face has 9 unit squares. 6 faces times 9 squares gives a total surface area of 54 unit squares. That 54 is the number on the bottom of our fraction. Now hide the white. The best hiding spot is the very center of the cube. A unit cube buried right in the middle touches no outside face at all, so it shows 0 white squares. Put 1 white cube there, and it disappears completely. That leaves 5 white cubes. The next best spots are the centers of the 6 faces. A face center cube pokes out on just one side, so it shows only 1 white square. Place the 5 remaining white cubes in 5 of the 6 face centers. Each shows 1 square, giving 5 white unit squares in total. So the white surface area is 5 unit squares out of 54. The fraction that is white is 5/54. Which is choice A?